Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about the anthrax. The name anthrax actually is from the Greek word which means cold. It was named this way because the disease is actually caused by cold skin in infected people or animals. Anthrax is caused by the bacillus anthracis. Historically, anthrax is one of the oldest known diseases because it has been recorded since ancient Egypt. In 1876, Robert Koch was the first to prove that bacillus anthracis caused anthrax.
Anthrax is transmitted from animals to humans in three main ways. First is cutaneous anthrax. When the person is interacting with an infected animal, the spores will enter the body through a cut or sore. The second type of anthrax is gastrointestinal anthrax. The spore enters the body when the person eats raw or undercooked meat from an infected animal. Third, we have inhalation anthrax. The spores enters the body simply when inhaling. This usually happens when the person is interacting with an infected animal or processing animal products.
In animals, anthrax usually causes sudden death, swelling under the skin, and bloody discharge from the nose, mouth, or anus. Often the carcass does not different and the blood flows to cause. In humans, there are three main types of anthrax. The first one is cutaneous anthrax, which causes itchy skin, sores with a black center. And the second one, inhalation anthrax, which leads to fever, chest pain, and breathing difficulty. And the last one is gastrointestinal anthrax, which causes vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain after eating contaminated meat. So what are the ways to prevent anthrax? First is farmers should avoid contact with infected animals, wear protective gloves and clothing, and the last is properly dispose of carcasses by burning or deep burial. Besides that, also farm hygiene is a very important issue. Livestock vaccination and public awareness are also very important. Yes, there are vaccines available for both animals and humans, especially for those at higher risk such as veterinarian, farmer and laboratory workers.
An outbreak of cutaneous anthrax occurred recently in Mukdahan Island when cattle infected with anthrax were slaughtered and consumed. The spores enter humans through skin contact during handling. Unfortunately, 4 people fell ill and 1 people died. Malaysia, although free of human cases so far, must remain vigilant. The outbreak underscores how infected livestock, contaminated meat or environmental spore can cross borders. To safeguard our animals and communities, Malaysia must strengthen livestock import health checks, enforce safe slaughtering guidelines, maintain routine vaccinations of risk herds, and raise awareness among farmers and consumers about anthrax risks and hygiene. A quick response and coordinated veterinary and human health surveillance will help us stay ahead of this invisible threat.